I really want to try to create something and just try to take a moment to relax. So I figured, you know what? The best way to relax is to challenge myself. Okay, that doesn't sound very relaxing. So here is some leftover paints that I kept from my paint by number kits that I've done. And you know, there is quite a few paint left over, and I just didn't want to get rid of it because it seemed like it would be such a shame to get rid of so much paint. So I wanted to see maybe if I can make something using this leftover paint. But yeah, I thought that would be a really fun little challenge to do, and just to kind of take the edge off from the stress of the holidays, just to sit down and chill a little bit. I also want to mention that this scarf is made from my sister, so she has a channel and please go check her out. She does amazing crochet stuff. It's always fun to watch her. I'll leave the link in the comments, and also my Etsy store has a 50% sale going on. So if you want to, grab something for you or your friends and family, right now is the time because everything is 50% off and we love sales, or at least I do. Besides that, let's not waste any more time and let's see what I can make. Alright, so here I have my canvas, I also have my brushes ready, and over here is my leftover paints, and to the side I have my oil pastels. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by opening this up and then maybe doing a light sketch. Okay, so I have a rough kind of sketch, and I know it's kind of frowned upon in the art world to not use a reference, but today I don't really care. I'm just doing it for fun and to relax a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go in with the oil pastels and maybe just start layering some colors on top and just, I don't know, kind of play around, see what happens. I'm just gonna go with a random color. Let's go with yellow. I accidentally colored my desk. Whoops. Alright, so here is the base, and I'm thinking that's pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go in with some paint and just, I don't know, have some fun with it. Alright, so here is what it looks like so far, and I figured let's take it another step and maybe bring in some of these little diamond thingies from the diamond art kits. I didn't throw these away either, so they're leftovers, and there's some pretty colors in here, so I kind of want to see maybe I can like put some around the eye and on the background, so I don't know, let's just see what it'll look like. Alright, so here it is. Let me know what you think. I did end up taking away the green beads. I didn't really like how it looked, So yeah, I think this is actually really cool. And I hope you challenge yourself to look at your leftover art supplies and try this out too, because it was fun, it was relaxing, and that's what I needed. Anyways, let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye!